Shortwave radios may seem old school, but for those in the know, they're still incredibly useful. Whether you're into outdoor adventures, preparing for emergencies, or just love tuning into global broadcasts, having a dependable shortwave radio can make all the difference. We've tested our fair share, some great, some not so much, and today, we're highlighting the top 5 portable shortwave radios that truly deliver when it comes to performance, features, and overall value. As always, check the description for updated prices and best deals. Let's dive in. Number 5. Belela DX. The Belela DX is a small but mighty shortwave receiver built with hardcore radio fans in mind, especially those who need something compact without compromising on quality. What sets the Belela DX apart is its broad tuning range, from 1.5 to 31 MHz, supporting AM, SSB and CW modes. This allows access to international broadcasts, ham radio operators, and utility transmissions. Pros: pocket-sized design, excellent shortwave reception, and strong SSB performance. Cons: no built-in speaker, so you'll need headphones or an external speaker, and it covers shortwave only, with no FM or longwave. If your focus is strictly on shortwave listening, and you want top-tier performance in a portable body, the Belela DX is a strong pick. Number 4. Tecsun PL990X. The Tecsun PL990X is a premium shortwave radio that blends classic analog charm with modern digital innovation. It supports AM, FM, longwave, shortwave, and SSB, making it one of the most versatile radios on this list. What truly stands out is its superb audio quality. With dual speakers and built-in digital signal processing, the sound is rich, balanced, and remarkably clear. Pros: excellent audio performance, wide band coverage, and premium build quality. Cons: it's larger and heavier, so a bit less portable, and it comes at a higher price point. If you're looking for a feature-packed high-performance radio, the PL990X justifies the investment. Number 3. Sangean ATS909X2. The Sangean ATS909X2 is designed for serious DXers who, really prioritize precision and signal clarity. Its standout feature is ultra-precise SSB fine-tuning down to 10 Hz, which lets you lock onto weak signals with minimal noise. It also includes 1,674 memory presets, an integrated clock and alarm, FM RDS support, and excellent AM and SSB sensitivity. On the downside, the feature-heavy interface might overwhelm beginners. And, yeah, it does come with a premium price tag. But if you want a professional-grade portable shortwave radio, the ATS909X2 is honestly an outstanding choice. Number 2. XHDATA D808. The XHDATA D808 is, honestly, one of the best value-packed shortwave radios you can get today. It offers full SSB functionality at a fraction of the cost of those premium models. Coverage includes FM, AM, longwave, shortwave, and single sideband. Its biggest strengths are strong sensitivity and selectivity, so you can really pull in those distant stations clearly. It also uses a replaceable 18650 lithium battery, which gives you excellent runtime and easy replacement. Of course, there are a couple of trade-offs: basic speaker quality and a plastic utilitarian build. Still, for budget-conscious listeners, the D808 definitely punches well above its weight. Number 1. Tecsun PL330. The Tecsun PL330 is widely considered the best all-around portable shortwave radio, and that's thanks to its perfect balance of performance, features, portability, and price. Its standout feature is ETM Plus, or Enhanced Tuning Mode Plus, which automatically scans and stores stations into organized memory banks. Other key features include a large backlit digital display, selectable bandwidth, built-in DSP, clean and impressive SSB performance, a sleep timer and alarm, and an external antenna jack. The trade-offs: well, there's no FM RDS support, and the speaker isn't as full as larger models like the PL990X. But honestly, for its size and cost, the PL330 delivers exceptional value and performance, making it one of the best choices for on-the-go shortwave listening. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 portable shortwave radios for every kind of listener. Whether you're after high-end features, a budget-friendly option, or a compact travel companion, there's definitely something here for you. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Shambaishindan, Hangasur Sin Sudden Shin Nabin Binars Wandanam. What you're tuning into, thanks for watching.